Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and TT channel. From this isometric drawing, so we will count it, how many fittings, how many bulb, okay, how many spool, okay. So this is the job of the pipe fitter. You must check all the fittings, of course, in the BOM, and another call of BOM is material description. Okay, but the meaning of BOM is a bill of materials. Okay, anyway, from this isometric, first we will count it, how many fittings on this isometric. So first is 90 degrees. Okay, first is elbow. Okay, so how many elbow on this isometric? I think they have only one elbow. So this is one elbow. So this is it. Number 4. Okay. Check in material description. Number 4. So this is our number 4. 90 degrees elbow. Okay. 90 degrees elbow. LR, long radius. How many quantity? So this is the quantity. Only one. Okay. 90 degrees elbow. 1 90 degrees elbow. Okay. We will back to isometric drawing. So only one elbow on this isometric drawing. Next is how many bulb. Okay, so we'll count it. So 1 2. Okay, so this is also bulb. 3 4 and 5 6. So we have a 6 elbow. Okay, so to determine what is elbow type on this number 15, so check this in the BOM. Okay, number 15, because this is a globe bulb in the bill of materials. Okay, number 14, so this is a gate bulb. Okay, and at this one, number 16, you can check here in the BOM number 16, gate bulb. Okay, so this is 17. Okay, so this is we will check here. So this is an instrument, or this one is a motor operated bulb. Okay, so this is more gate bulb, also gate bulb. Okay, so we will count it also, how many spool. So this is one spool. This is spool 1 2 3. So they have 3 spool on this isometric drawing. Okay, so we have also 1 T. So this is T. And they have another. Okay, only 1 T. OLED. We'll check is also the socklet. So this is 1. Number 4, this is number 3 is chocolate 4 by 3/4 NPS, nominal pipe size. So this is a chocolate. 1, 2. They have 2 chocolate. That is how to check all the materials in this isometric drawing, which is the help of this BOM. This is the important from this isometric drawing. Need to be check all the fittings, all the valves, all the pipes of spool. Okay, so this is it. So that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you next time, guys. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is example of support details. Okay, on these support details, they have a dimension, symbols, and size of support, and name of this support. So this is the type of support. So this support is, so anybody so this support is pipe, shoes, and guides and anchors. Okay, so from this detail 1, so this is a front view of pipe, and of course this is the side view of the I-beam. And we have also, so this is, see this triangle, so this is guide. See, so we can read here, so pipe guide, see table below. So this is the example of guide. Okay, but they have different of guide based on size of pipe, and based on what pipe to be serviced on that. Like for example, gas, vapor, liquid, or gas. So they have different type of guide. So on this guide, they have also a symbols. So this is a symbols of welding. So if you see this arrow, so this is the arrow, and we have a plug here. So this is a plug. Okay, plug, and they have a size of weldment. So these triangles, it means this is a fillet weld, and size of fillet is 1/4. Okay, and they have also a tail. So tail, it means they can put here the specification of what type of process to be used on this support, on this guide. Like for example, on this tail is small shield metal arc welding. Okay, so this symbols is arrow side. If you put this triangle on this side, it means this is other side. Okay, arrow side and other side. Okay, so this is, now we have a number 1. So 1 is example of guide support. So on this size, okay, so there we have finish here. Okay, here pipe guide, all concrete or steel support. So this is the pipe size, 342 36 inches. Okay, nominal pipe size. So this is NPS, nominal pipe size 342 36 inches. Okay, and this is the side view of this, front view of pipe. So this is the side view, and this is the guide, the pipe, and also the I-beam, concrete support and steel support. Okay, and this is a different, also a guide, pipe guide, see table below. Okay, and this is the specification of guide. They have a specification of clearance. This is 116 clear, the clearance, and the length of this guide is 4 inches. And they have also weld symbols, fill weld, fillet weld, arrow side, and the diameter of bar. So this is diameter of bar, 3/4. So all details is here in the support details. Okay, in isometric drawing you cannot see this support details, so they have a different drawing of this support, and you can see only in the isometric drawing is symbols. Okay, only symbols, not this support details. You cannot see in the isometric drawing. They have isometric drawing, but only few isometric drawing you can see in this support detail on the top on the isometric drawing, but they are small support details in the other isometric, but they have no support details on isometric drawing. Okay, anyway, so this is a pipe guide. Okay, this is also a pipe guide. So all here on this support details is only a pipe guide. Okay, we don't have here a pipe shoe and anchor. Okay, so only this is, all of this is guide, pipe guide. So this is pipe guide for concrete sleeper, pipe size 6 inches through 36. See this one, they have, so BOP. So this is what I mean. You must also learn what is the abbreviation. So this BOP, bottom of pipe, and EL is elevation. Okay, diameter of bar 3/4. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye, see you next time. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. Specification and drawing. So this is a specification of support. So this is the support details, and of course I have a specification based on codes and standard. So this is a pipe shoes. Okay, so in a pipe fitter they have a lot of support in the piping. They have a lot of support to be installed in the pipes. So this is a support details, an example of a pipe shoes. Okay, so this is a pipe shoes, and this pipe shoes is a welded type. It means this pipe is welded on this pipe. Okay, so this is the pipe shoe. So this is the pipe shoe. This is the I-beam, also front view, side view. Okay, and this is the guide. These two sides is, see this one, pipe guide, and welding symbols, fillet weld, 1/4 size. This is a 1/4 of weldment and type of to be used in this guide. Like for example, small, TIG, but always use here is small. Okay, so they have a clearance of this pipe guide. If you are installing this pipe guide, check this what clearance to be used on this pipe shoe. This is a very important to be checked, the clearance of this pipe guide. Why? If they have no, so because this is the specification by codes in the standard, right? And they're using this 1/16 inch. Okay, I think this is 3 millimeter. If you divide this one, divide 16, and this is the clearance both sides. So you have both sides is 1/16, so that they can, the pipe they can, so if this is the pipe, they can move like this. If they have no gas, they have no what they call this is gap, the stress of the pipe is coming there. Okay, the stress. So if they have a clearance, just moving only like left and right moving, right? Okay, and this is the side view. Okay, steel support, concrete support, and fillet weldment symbols. So this is both side symbols. Okay, they have a both side symbols, and field weld type also. And this pipe guide, they have also and they have a dimension of this guide. All pipe size 2x2 by 3/8 by 4. Okay, so bottom of pipe and elevation. So elevation, diameter bar. So this is pipe guide for concrete sleeper, all pipe size. So if you see this, if you check the support detail, you must check one by one, and the welding symbols, and the sizing, and the specification. Okay, like for example on this gap 1/16. So that one is very important, because if a QC check this guide, you don't have a gap, QC rejected this guide if no have gap. Remove that one and put a gap based on the specification of the support details. Okay, and also they can put in the punch list. If this is line checking, if a QC line checking this line, if see there's no gap, they can comment it modified and put a gap based on the specification. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. Remember, this is a 5 shoe, and have a nice day. Bye bye, and God bless all. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So again, this is specification, support, details. So in my other videos, they have guide and pipe shoe. Okay, so this is a pad. Okay, so this is the support. See this, and they have also a specification of degrees. Okay, so this support and 120 degrees from the center of this. So this is the center line of the pipe. From the center they have a 30 degrees. Okay, and this pad we have 120 degrees. So this is the specification. You must follow these degrees or less rejected by inspector if you are not following that specification of degrees. Okay, so we have also weld symbols. So this is these symbols, if you see this circle, so this is weld all around. Okay, and arrow side 1/4 field weld if installed in the field. Okay, so they have also a note, field weld if installed in the field. Okay, so cross section, and we have elevation. So this is the elevation. We have, so this is 12 inch for the pipe within unit battery limits and 18 for all others. So the dimension of this pad. So this is also comment on note, 12 inch for pipes within unit battery limits and 18 for all others. So they have also minimum thickness. Minimum thickness pipe hole, maximum 3/4 thickness pipe. Minimum thickness pipe wall, maximum 3/4 thickness pipe. So they have a maximum 3/4 thickness of pad. Okay, and of course this is a very important. So the whole of this pad. So they have also a specification what size of bend or hold to be used on this pad. So they have a 1/4 diameter bent hole in pad. Okay, what is the purpose of this pad? This is what is the purpose? Or this is my question to you, all my subscriber and all to be watched on this video. Just leave a comment, and what is the purpose of this bent hole or 1/4 diameter bent hole in pad? What is the purpose of that bent hole? Okay, that is my question to all of you guys. And the specification, this is a steel support and elevation. Okay, so they have also a size with that using this pad. So on this cross section, so this is a cross section, this is the front view. This is the front view cross section, and we have, this is the side view. Okay, so this is the pad from the pipe. Okay, and specification from the support details, and from the isometric drawing you can see these symbols. You cannot see these symbols of pad. Okay, they have only written there the types of this support, but you cannot see this symbol of this pad. Sometimes they are the symbols there is a 5 shoe, okay, but you cannot see these symbols of a pad. You can see there the pipe shoe, the trunnion, the guide. Okay, they have a lot of support in the piping. So this is the example of the support details. Okay guys, and that's all for now guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day, see you.